We all know that it gets balls hot in the middle of summer. Well, how do you combat against that? Well, there's a company called Portacool. What they do is specialize in cooling air and blowing it in your face no matter how hot the environment is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this over to Todd, and Todd's gonna talk a little bit about their products.
Hey, very good, Mark. I appreciate you having us today. Portacool has been in business for over 30 years doing evaporative cooling. So we actually are very excited this year. We came out with a brand new product line, our new Portacool Apex series. So right here today, we have our Portacool Apex 700. This is actually cooling 700 square feet with an airthrow of up to 60 feet down a line. And what's special about the Apex 700? This is utilized for smaller areas, for individual shops or car bays, about 2 bays of that air moving through. Oscillating and adjustable louvers, but not only oscillating, we're actually able to control that airflow through the app. All of our Apex models are Wi-Fi enabled, can be controlled through an app. So you have complete control over the airflow, the water, and anything else that may be going on with your Portacool. What's nice on these models is the airflow on these smaller ones come through the front. Nobody else is able to pull this new design out with front intake of airflow. This enables us to push this model against the wall for all those shops that are tight on space. We now have a way to help that space constraint and push those models right up against the wall. All of our features are now into the backside. So our cords, our water hose connections, and our direct fills are into the back. You say, well, why is that important, Todd? This eliminates any slip trip hazards into that space. No cords coming off the side. So safety is a key performance of our products. 3-year warranty on all the electrical, lifetime warranty on the molded housing from any defects. 4 casters, able to push easily around, flat top so you can put something onto it. This is a great product for those customers who are looking for something that they're tight on space, need a lot of airflow, and need a lot of velocity coming off. But if you have something that's even larger, we have bigger products for you. We move over into our Apex 2000. This model is going to cool 2,000 square feet. It's going to be for those larger shops where you're looking for something that's give you more volume, more velocity. Still is going to have the new Cool Sync technology into it, all digital, all app-based, Wi-Fi enabled. Nobody out in the marketplace is having this. Brand new out for 2024 with Portacool. Gives you more velocity, more push out there. So for your shops that are looking for bigger spaces, more cooling, more velocity, the Apex 2000 is a choice for you. And our models will go anywhere from 500 square feet to over 6,500 square feet of cooling. So whatever you have, whatever your shop needs are, we have a Portacool unit for you, and we can keep you cool and comfortable. Safety, performance, comfort, Portacool Apex at the ISN show.
Todd, thanks a lot for giving us an awesome demonstration and information about Portacool. If you like this review, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button.